Well, good afternoon or good evening to you. This is Mr. K coming at you. Today we're going to look at 2-point perspective blocks. You're going to need printer paper, ruler, pencil, and eraser. Here we go. It's 2-point perspective. Again, we're going to start with having the horizon line, splitting the ground and the sky with 2 vanishing points, and all those lines, those leading lines will go to the vanishing point in 2-point perspective. Okay, start again. Fold your paper in half, use your ruler. Always hold the ruler, making an L with your finger and thumb. Press, don't ever hold it from the edges because when you push, it slides the ruler and you can't make a straight line. See? Always hold it in the middle, however you can, really tight. Press against the ruler and down, and voila, a straight line. So where are those vanishing points? One on either side. Remember, 2-point perspective. We're going to create 3 blocks, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. So we're going to draw about a 2-inch line for each section. And now the top and bottom of those corners of those lines we just drew are going to go to the vanishing point. Line up the vanishing point on the left with the line on the bottom. And then work your way up. Now just for the viewing of the video, I held the ruler a little differently just so that you could see it. There we go. Now notice some of that, you're not going to see the horizon line because of what we're drawing, and that's okay. You're going to erase that later. Again, match up that vanishing point on the right with the line. Nice straight lines. Okay, now the next part, we need to draw a parallel line to the initial one we drew. So we're going to slide them over, make sure you're not turning it left or right. It has to be parallel. Parallel lines do not intersect. Okay, same thing on the right side. Now this is key, so I slowed the video down. These 2 points do not cross. They cross to make the top, but they do not go across to each other. Watch. So I'm going to take that one and it goes to the right vanishing point on the right-hand side. The other one does not go to that other side. It goes to the very far left vanishing point. And there, voila, the top of the box is made. Students have a tendency to connect those 2 dots directly across, and that's not the case. Okay, let's build the right-hand side and the left. So we're going to line it up. We're going to push it over a little bit for the middle block just to make it wider. And then we're going to slide it over a little bit there. And take the eraser and remove the horizon line from the middle. And there's your block that's sitting on the horizon line as well as above and below it. Next, we're going to do the top one that's floating in the sky. We're going to line it up with that bottom one. Maybe, remember, don't turn it. We want it to be parallel. There we go. So now you've got the left and right side, but we have to make the bottom part. Do we connect those dots? Nope. That's not what we're trying to do. We have to have them crisscross over to the vanishing points. Now it's going to hit into that block, so we're only going to draw a little bit of it. And there you have it. The bottom section of that block. 2-point perspective drawing.